I was born to be a fighter, had these dreams and desires. I would be something better, energy, got a fire in my soul to keep burning, a pain that keep hurting, a curse is emerging, feel the thirst, keep on working, I won't stop, I won't quit, to the top of this shit. I get lost in the work, sweat dripping on a bitch, I get mad, I get pissed, I get after this shit, hit the gas, feel the grip, adrenaline, never miss, I'm not patient, but I've learned to embrace it, cause I've been working, I've been waiting, never complacent, cause I'm so close, I can taste it, wanted away from everything I've been chasing. I'm honest, and I promise that I got this, I'm launching, all I've wanted has been exhausting. I'll teach you how to harness, control the conscious. You got this, yeah you got this, you gotta want it. Like there, are you gonna win or will you play scared? I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah you must be there. Got my head, I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah you must be rare. You got one shot, life ain't fair. Are you gonna win or will you play scared? I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah you must be rare. Got my head, I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah you must be rare. You watch out, I'm fighting hard for the crown. Yeah, no doubt I'll be the best pound for pound. I'm obsessed with winning, this is my house. So watch out, I'm coming to the top. But yeah, I'm addicted to winning. If that's a sin, I'll be sinning. I'm disciplined when I'm in it, and this is just the beginning. The money, yeah, I'll be printing while helping others make millions. See, I'm not selfish, no villain, but still I'm making the killing. I'm in for greatness. You can't lock me into cages. Deserve to be on stages. I will be the greatest. Do it yourself, I made it. DIY from the basement. I'll take my life into my own hands, my own plan. Yeah, I got a backbone, designing my own program. I'll mentor the next wave of the bravest, so don't be late. I'm about to make changes. Are you gonna win or will you play scared? I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah you must be ready.
Lieliska spēle, kā pirmā spēle šodien uz jaunās dēļas. Un kas notika 9. freimā?
Teiksim tā, 9. vienkārši, tā man vajag tagad atcerēties. Nu principā kā, es jau pirms tam biju noķēries tādu, ka celiņa izmaiņa, ka eļļa mainās, apstākļi mainās un gribēs būt bišķi tā drošāka. Un tā es parādu to metienu vairāk pa kreisi ar visu līniju un tur vēl ir par agru, teiksim tā. Tā bumba vienkārši, noturējis par ilgu un nepaspēja pagriezties, kā vajag. Bet, nekas, tas ir bišķi, teiksim tā. Sākumam ir labi sevi noturēt, bišķi varbūt sev nervus pakutrināt pirmajā spēlē, bet pats galvenais jau 7 spēles. 7 spēles tagad ir jānotur un tas jau pats galvenais.
Jā, tas vēl 7 iespējas dabūt 3.
Tieši tā, vēl 7 iespējas, bet ar katru nākamo noteikti būs grūtāk, jo šis ir tas taņš, kuru mēs sākam, kuru mēs paši arī sagatavojam sev pašiem. Un tagad redzēsim, iesim tālāk nākamo celiņu un cerams, ka tur arī būs viss sagatavots tikpat veiksmīgi un labi, kā šeit.
Paldies!